To vibrate a controller in Godot, first grab input, then call start joy vibration, then pass the input device ID, then the strength of the weak motors, and the strength of the strong motors, and then the duration that you want the vibration to last. Keep in mind that the strength should be from 0.0 to 1.0. If you want to have the vibration go infinitely until manually stopped, you can set the duration to a very high number. For manually stopping vibration, you can either call the stop joy vibration, passing the appropriate device ID, or you can call a new start joy vibration as it will replace the previous start joy vibration that you called. To detect the device ID, create a variable for tracking the current controller. Then, in the built-in input function, check if the input event is either a joypad motion or a joypad button, then set the current controller to the event.device. You can then use this variable for doing vibrations. Additionally, please keep in mind that the vibration code in Godot will only work on either Xbox controllers or controllers that are emulating an Xbox controller using X input. To have this work on a PlayStation or Nintendo controller, you would require the user to use some form of software that would convert that controller's input into X input.